a very common question, or you can say a confusion, remains in the minds of lot of people in Canada. Like, when should we get into the housing market? When should we buy our own house? So related to this, I want to give my opinion. Just want to clarify, neither I'm an neither I'm like a real estate agent, nor I'm government bodies. If you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, in my opinion, there is no fixed time, there is no fixed indicator. So when you really think that you can afford the down payment and also you can afford the monthly payment and you find a house that meets your criteria, that's the right time. Now we need to break it down further. Okay. Uh, like lot of people did lot of mistakes during pandemic. They overpaid for a house, values fell down, they took variable mortgage, now they struggle. So when you are taking I'm not saying that you should not take a variable mortgage. I will never do that because I'm a guy who doesn't want to take any risk. But if you are going for it, like, make sure that you have enough bandwidth to absorb any spike in the interest rate if you're going for variable rate. If you're going for fixed, that's fine. You know what's gonna happen. Like, you know that at least for a certain duration, maybe 3 years, 5 years, whatever you take, your payments will not rise, but still have some window that you can cover up unexpected cost. Okay. Now, when it comes to buying the house, like as I said, that you should have additional bandwidth to absorb additional cost, and also see the house if you are making it like correct offer or not. If you overinflate an offer, you may regret down the line if the values don't spike or if the values fall. Many people are going through this. So all in all, we can say when you find a right house, like it's all based on the combination, when you can afford the monthly payment or bi-weekly, whatever, when you can afford your mortgage payment, when you can afford your down payment, and when you can afford when you get a house you like. Because there are certain reverse things that happen all the time. Like, if interest rate goes down, prices spike, right? If interest rate goes up, prices go down, but still your monthly payment is will have the combination of both. So it's really hard to believe that they will go down. In some cases it may, but like as you see, it's not gonna work like that. So that is how it is, guys. Now let me know what you feel about it. I believe this is gonna be the criteria for you to jump into the housing market. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.